In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your talking avatar in CapCut. By the end, you'll have a clean, talking avatar scene ready to use in vertical content, whether you're on the web version or the mobile app. Start by opening CapCut. If you're on a browser, make sure you're signed in and your internet is steady, because some AI features process in the cloud. Create a new project, then select the 9:16 aspect ratio. That vertical canvas is perfect for platforms like TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, and it ensures your avatar fills the screen without awkward cropping. Once your project opens, head to the Elements section. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of creative assets, including the AI tools we'll use. In Elements, look for AI avatars and choose View All. This opens the full library so you can see every available style, from professional presenters to casual, friendly characters. Pick an avatar that matches your message and audience. Consider the tone, attire, and overall vibe. Some avatars are more formal, others feel more playful. Preview a couple if you can, and think about how the avatar will look against your planned background. Once you've found a good match, add it to your timeline or canvas. Now, write your script. Keep sentences short and conversational, as if you're speaking to one person. Punctuation is your friend. Use commas and periods to create natural pauses. Read it out loud once to catch any tongue twisters. If the avatar supports multiple voices or languages, pick the one that fits your brand and audience. Paste or type your final text into the avatar text field. With your script set, make adjustments to the scene. Remove the default background. If you want a clean cutout, then replace it with a solid color, gradient, or an image or video background that complements your message. Reposition and scale the avatar so it sits comfortably in frame. Avoid cropping the head or leaving too much empty space. Fine-tune lighting, color, and any filters to keep everything consistent. You can add subtle motion to the background or light music, but keep it minimal so it doesn't compete with the voice. Take your time here. Preview often, listen for pacing, and tweak the script if a word doesn't sound right. Adjust timing so the avatar finishes speaking right where you want. When everything looks and sounds good, click Apply. CapCut will generate the talking avatar with your script and settings. That's it. Your talking avatar is ready to use in your project or as a building block for your next video.